Hey guys, 5th of February already. Been in the shed doing the thing I hate doing the most, and that's kind of going through my stuff and categorizing things and just kind of cleaning up in general. Kind of pulled out a lineup of grinders that I've found throughout the years and just thought we would take a look at them. This culture up here transitioned to an agrarian society probably in the late archaic, definitely in the Woodland period, and they were probably about 90 to 95% agrarian, I say, within the middle of the Woodland period. And so they grew a lot of crops, mostly corn, beans, squash. They also ate a lot of different nuts, acorns, chestnuts up here, walnuts were all the very prevalent. And they use these type of tools in order to ground up these different items into a meal or a powder or flour, whatever you want to call it. And they would make a type of tortilla out of them. And it was a very large part of their diet. We'll take a look at these things and just kind of show you some of the different features and designs. A lot of different designs. Just like all of us, we all like different things, and different things work out better for us and than they do for other people. This one here, rather large. Some polishing done around the edges and sides. That's the polishing surface there. Grinding surface, excuse me. You see it's kind of staining in the front. Some of that's from using these tools to actually crush these grains of nuts. Another one rather similar. You see how they've chipped it down in the front here. And polished on the sides. It's a grinded surface. More of a rectangular shaped one here. Good bit of staining on this piece. That's where their hands and their fingers would be. And just the oils from the grains would be on their hands and fingers and all, and eventually it would all permeate into these stones. We've been in there for many years. It's a long linear piece here. A lot of this notching work was done in order to clear the fingers from the grinding surface. Looks like a loaf of bread, big loaf of bread. It's a sandstone piece here. This is hard sandstone. It's kind of rare to see them made out of sandstone. quartzite. It's been polished. Get it up on a tip here and you get some little bit of beveling on some of these. Little chipping work here. A little bit of stain. This one's a very simple design here, but very effective. This is a blue granite. Actually, a good bit of work's been done to this piece. It's notched right here, and that's where your thumb would go. You see this lip that's been created right here. It protects your fingers. It's a grinded surface. A lot of crystals in that top. Actually, a very nice piece. There's some of the smaller pieces here. It's got a lot of staining. This probably was used by a child, my guess. Black stone, these are pretty rare pieces too. This one is really highly polished. It's a palm grinder. You see some of the staining around the edges. It's a grinded surface there. Really dense material, hard. Has a little bit of grit to it, so it'll work well as a grinder. It's a large rectangular piece. This black stone is so hard it breaks easy, and a lot of really nice pieces, I think pieces that anyway would have been nice that I've picked up in the river broke, unfortunately. Nice linear piece here, black stone. You see all the different swirls in this stone, the layers. Really ground down there. It's pretty. A lot of crystals. See the wear along the edges here. Polishing there. Beveled down. A little polishing here, a little stain. A really big granite piece. I think this piece was also used as a pestle. You see the chipping work down on the sides. Big, long, linear piece. Pretty rare. It's notched right here. Blue granite piece here. This back end's really stained. It's got a lot of staining on it. The front's got some too. They were popping these acorns probably with this thing. Walnuts on the back end. It's staining through here with your fingers. Nice piece here, pretty well polished. Again, you get your beveling, a little bit of beveling. There's a big oval piece here. This is the way I originally saw it in the creek. Really didn't pay much attention to it. I can't remember if I either picked it up or kicked it over or whatever. When I did, I saw that this was a grinder. It's been chipped out here in the back. See all the chipping work done right here. It probably held, like this when they were grinding with it. See little linear strikes in here. And here's kind of a unique piece, rare. This is either an agate, type of agate, or jasper. Parts of it are translucent. You see how it's been beveled down. Real pretty piece. It's a grinded surface there. Not sure this would be the best material to make a grinder out of because it's so hard, and I don't know, maybe it worked okay, but chipping work, we've layered it down in the front. Never seen that kind of stone around here. I don't know if it came from afar or what, but first I thought it was quartz, but it's not. With a little smaller piece, a little palm grinder. See the staining there. Wear around the edges. Not sure about this. Could be a left-handed piece. Anyway, guys, I thought I would show you. This is just a small sample of what I have. But I'm trying to do some reorganizing and cleaning up back here. And again, I think, for the most part, this is late archaic, and mid woodland, and probably up to late woodland also. It's a agrarian culture. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're doing well, and get you something to look at here again soon.